Wagwan massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back, guys. Oh.
Yeah, I know. We got some explaining to do.
Man.
So.
Where do we start? It's a lot, man. Y'all don't understand. Like, it's a lot. So first thing is, I just want to throw this one out there. Our schedule. So I know, like, I'm not trying to throw shade on any other YouTubers or anything, but from my research that I've done, like, a lot of YouTubers, they do YouTube full time. Okay, that means they don't have like another job to, you know what I'm saying, worry about. They just do YouTube. I understand that, and that's the goal for us one day. But right now, we still have our regular everyday jobs that we have to do. You know, everybody know that Jessie a police officer, and y'all know that I work at the Hyatt. And so we still have to do those jobs, you know what I'm saying? And like the scheduling is so off sometimes because he don't come home sometimes until like freaking what time in the morning?
2 o'clock.
When I'm already asleep because I got off work earlier and trying to get some rest for my next shift, you know what I'm saying? Like, our schedules are like completely opposite most of the times.
Yeah.
You know, so that takes away.
Y'all know how it is. Y'all know how it is. So we just explain it to y'all. You know, let us explain what's going on. We're making a lot of overtime. We trying to make that money, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We trying to make that cheese. But
yes.
You know,
especially
so holiday
y'all know,
season.
Christmas
There's money
season.
to be made, y'all.
Yep.
Hey, when there's money to be made, go make it.
Amen
For
to
real.
that. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason is, I know y'all been hearing us say this for the longest, you know, but things take time. Just because we say yesterday that our computer acting up, it doesn't mean that the next day we're gonna be able to buy another one. You know, we had to take our time, do some research on the one that we really want, you know, because when you're editing videos, and for the other YouTubers, you know what I'm saying, you need something that's gonna keep up with what you're doing. You can't just get no regular computer that you can just, you know, you're not doing no little regular Word documents or nothing like that. It's video editing, and it takes a lot. Okay, so we got to get a computer to match what we, you know, what we do. So
right. So we went to Best Buy. We wanted to get a brand new computer. We didn't want to get a computer that was already used. So we went to Best Buy. We looked at 3 different laptops. So we finally got us another computer. So like I said, no excuses now, right?
No more.
No excuses.
Namaste. We gotta get a box cutter or something. Let me use my keys.
So let's check it out, y'all. See what we got.
We ain't even opened it yet, guys. We still like we just got it from the store, and it's still tape on there and everything. So we gonna open it with y'all, cause you know y'all family. So we gotta show y'all everything and
let's lift it up together.
Ready?
Oh, I don't even lift up.
Hey, you gotta pull it out.
I'm sorry. Alright, so you gotta pull it out.
Ooh, okay, ready? Ooh. Brand new, you see that?
Brand spanking new, y'all. Still in the plastic and everything. What is it? The HP? HP, something. The reason why we chose it is because it's real good for computer editing and everything.
Intense video editing is what it said.
So our other computer, y'all, it was going so slow, and it kind of like made us not even want to, you know, it made because, you know, we go to work, then we'll probably have a couple hours to hang out before we have to go to bed to get back up for work. And it just makes you feel like you didn't even want to do no videos because the computer.
Yeah, because it was freezing up a lot. It was buffing, like especially when if we try to do like a 4K video, it wouldn't let us do it. Like, it would just close out the screen sometimes on us and just disappear. Like what the heck? We was just working on a video, it just shut off. Like, so we couldn't get nothing done with it, y'all. I'm telling you. But this it's right.
This is it. That's it. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's pull it up slowly.
Ready? That's the one we got right there, the Spectre. And I just love it, y'all. Y'all gonna see the color.
Ooh, this
it's so
computer
pretty.
sexy, y'all.
It's so freaking pretty.
This mug sexy as heck.
It's like a rose gold with black. It's so freaking gorgeous. Like,
we are not sponsored by this computer, by the way.
We're not. We just bought it because they said it was the best, you know, for what we was looking for.
Yeah.
Ooh. He said we're supposed to get a sleeve. What is sleeve at?
It's probably in there. Oh, you know what? It's right here.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, thank Jesus.
That sleeve.
Because we sure need this to protect it, you know. Because the show wasn't cheap. Okay, well I guess I won't be calling y'all this time. Oh.
All right. Let's look at this pen here.
Leather sleeve. It's cute. You can smell this new. It smells so weird too.
It smells like new car.
It's weird smelling, y'all. But I'm glad they gave us this though.
It's a pen.
I can't wait to use that. Cause you know I got the I love using my stylus on my phone, y'all, so that's gonna
What the pen look like?
Oh my god.
Ooh-wee.
Ooh, y'all see this? Oh my god.
That computer is sexy, y'all.
It's so pretty. Look at the details. Like I want to get up in the camera so y'all can see. Like that rose gold on the side. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like it's just so slender and pretty. And guess what? Let me open it up so y'all can see.
You got the 2-in-1 part?
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, slick. Nice. Oh my god. Look at that, y'all. Yep, it's a 2-in-1, y'all. So it converts into a tablet. You're supposed to be able to do it like this. See that?
Man, oh man, it's a Christmas present for both of us.
So yeah, it converts into a tablet and then back to a laptop. Oh, I can't wait to edit some videos on this boy. Okay, let me turn it on. Where's the button? I think it's on the side. Should be on this side right here. Nope. Where's the button?
Look at us, looking like old people. Don't even know how to work this computer.
You're right. Oh, it's right here.
I got the instructions.
I got it.
Okay. So this computer, it got touch. It got it has face recognition, and it has a thumbprint.
A thumbprint on it.
So that's pretty dope.
To unlock it instead of trying to type your password and you know all that stuff. Where's the pen? Oh,
pen right here.
Yeah.
So the computer we had at first, it's a it was a Dell. It's a touchscreen too, but it's like a 04, I think. That's what it was. Versus this one, which I believe is a 2020.
How do you charge this? Because it says charge first before use. Like, where would you even charge this at? Do you stick it in the computer somewhere?
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh yeah, it got built-in Alexa
a little sign
too.
in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Bad.
So, yes guys, now you see that we got a new computer. We ain't got no excuses. I mean, it wasn't an excuse, it was reality. You know, it's facts. Right. But we gonna be shooting out videos like it ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying?
We can't be doing our thing, y'all. So we took care of the problem. Every problem has a solution. When you see something is not working out for you, you fix it, make it happen. You want it, go get it. We dogs, we hunt. Let's go.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with on a daily? Help me, Lord, help me.
Anyways, y'all, it's been 2 weeks since we posted a video, and now you guys see why. And that's it. No more excuses now, y'all.
None.
Let's get it.
Absolutely.
We got some videos already that we gotta, edit and upload. So we ready for y'all, alright? Let's get it, y'all. We appreciate you guys. Continue doing what y'all doing, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. You know what I'm saying?
We love them. The comments be cracking us up, like for real. We just be laying down reading comments sometimes and just laughing, having a good time.
So y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Huh? Y'all ready?
Y'all ready for this?
Y'all ready?
You remember that song?
Funny.
Y'all remember that song?
Mm-hmm. So that's one of our 2021 goals. What is it? Resolutions?
New Year's resolution.
Resolutions.
Yeah.
Post more videos, get more content, and let's just blow up, y'all. All right.
Yeah, we've been stuck at that 33 mark for a while, and I know why. We know why,
Yeah,
but
we haven't been posting like that.
We gonna work on that, cause guess what? We heading for that 100K next. You know what I'm saying?
Here we come.
Yep.
Here we come. We coming. We coming.
Yep. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in and for sticking with us, you know, through our dry season. We coming back though. It's gonna be a whole lot of rain. You know what I'm saying? Showers for days. You hear me?
Exactly.
Constantly, non-stop. So.
All right. We love those who love us, and you guys stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You'll have good luck
for the rest of the year.
All right. Until next time.
Later.